This is Gamma's outdoor foam dielectric UV resistant annular cable. Now this cable is great for your donor antenna runs. It's ideal for outdoor applications because it's a foam dielectric cable. So the big difference between your indoor plenum cable is that your indoor plenum is an air core dielectric. This one is a foam dielectric. So if you take a look down the center of this cable, okay, you might be able to see that. You'll see it's all full in foam. Why that's really good is because when this cable is exposed to the outdoors, the UV, the water, the rain, and you may get a nick or a break in the cable, that water is not going to go ahead and seep all the way into the cable and down the cable run, potentially to your BDA, which is a big problem. So it's much better, much suited for your outdoor applications. Again, it can be used for your C band all the way down to VHF. It works for all bands you need when it comes to your typical DAS deployments.